Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Not really an unboxing, but more of a review video of some of the collections that I have. So today I'm going to talk about some of the caps that I have. Now as you can see here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different caps. I'll just go through each and every one of them. Now the original cap that I have is this one, the new era fitted cap with the bathing ape. As you can see here, it's very worn down. The size here is a 778, so I've got a pretty big head and it's a fitted cap. Alright, new era. I'll link the description of the previous unboxing video for this cap in the description box. But basically this is the first CAMO yellow cap fitted, and it's gone through the ringer and heat, rain and all that good stuff. So very well used, I must say. So going to this one, now you can see the design here. You've got the raised stitching of the bathing ape words, and again 778 sizing, which is 62.5 centimeters. New era fitted cap as always. I have not worn these yet, so you can see that there's still the what do you call this, the card, the hang tags and all that. It's even got this piece here. I'm not sure exactly when this was released. I think probably some time ago. So over the years they have come up with different versions, but nowadays it's more of an adjustable cap models that they come up with. Very few fitted caps nowadays, which is quite a shame. As you can see, here is a 59 version new era cap. I'm not really a big fan of caps, but you know, sometimes when it's too hot you need the cap. So you can see here a bathing ape tag right there, made in China, as with all caps. And this is the old OG gold ape head. Now if you want to know whether these are released during Nigo's time, well, during Nigo's time the size of the ape head in gold is actually this one, which is rather big, and if you feel it, it's got that rough texture. So this is definitely the Nigo era, which is I think 2010, 2011 and before, and earlier I would say. Yep. So fitted cap, this is a first camo green colorway. Alright, nothing much there. You get to see the new era logo right there, embroidered. So just to give you a feel of the cap right there, with the ape head camo all over. Now moving on to this one, this is a more slightly less colorful or showy kind of design, which you have the bathing ape branding here and the BAPE logo, right, with the flying thunder star right there. Again 778, 62.5 centimeters, new era logo there. Now I believe the cap, the logo is the tag is a bit different. This is the Bathing Ape Classics edition, made in China as well, also during Nigo's era. Alright, you get the new era branding there, tag there, all that good stuff. With this one, you also get the new era cap logo right there. Forgot to show you that. 778. So this is probably the standard way they kind of brand their caps there for the collaboration, ape, new era, and the size. As well, you got the extra tags for the caps, and the special thing about this is as well, you've got the R logo embroidery, which is from BAPE. Alright, very nice, cool, black, can't go wrong with that. And I have another black cap here. Right, the texture is a bit different between these two, I would say. You can see here the lines are not so obvious as compared to this one, but again, same sizing, 5950 model, bathing ape logo branding, quite unique design right there. At the back you get something quite special, which is the embroidered BAPE head. Behind, again, slightly different ape tag also, but this one is made in the US. Alright, blue new era tag, 778, 63 centimeters, sometimes 62.5, sometimes 63. You get the ape head embroidery right there. Alright, so it's pretty darn cool. And the last one is, okay, this one is the dark navy blue version. Now this is the black version. Alright, same sizing, same logo right there. They tend to change it up here and there once in a while. Now you get the BAPE soldier logo, as you can see, the soldier carrying the rifle, OG days. And this is also the OG tag, the USA, in those days with the new era collaboration. Since it is a US brand, the tag says on it. Yep, pretty darn cool. So I'll show you how it fits after this. Going with the last cap, of course, which is the main attraction, the main highlight of the collection, is this Bathing Ape collaboration cap with Ferrari. It's got the iconic ABC camo green colorway, and it's got a very nice embroidered ape head there, very nice stitching, and the Bathing Ape logo there. Now this is an adjustable cap. Alright, so with adjustable caps, they don't go as wide as the standard like super double XL fitted sizes. So this cap doesn't actually fit me, but more for my wife. On the left side, you get the nice Ferrari inspired branding with the yellow shield right there and the BAPE head, and here says BA. You can see in black as well, a Bathing Ape branding. On the inside, you got the Italian colorway together with the Bathing Ape branding. The tag right here, very OG, made in Japan. Now this is one of the rare cases because again, this is a collaboration piece. So with collaborations, they do tend to make it in Japan. Alright, but it's not the norm, it may be the exception. I'm not too sure about that. But overall, the quality is really, really nice. On top, that's how it looks. The Ferrari shield looks very nice. I can't show you the fitting on my head, but I guess you can see it on my IG where I think my wife or my kid actually wears this. So overall, a very nice cap, one of the best in my collection. Alright, it's probably extremely difficult to get. I think this released sometime like 9 years ago in 2009, 2010, around that time. So, alright, on to the fitted section. Hey guys, so let's start off with the camo green version. Right there. Sides, right there. Okay, pretty dope. Again, I'm not really a cap kind of guy unless I really need it. This is the OG, oh, I wouldn't say it's OG, this is the first camo yellow version. Alright, the one I wear the most. Alright, as you can see, it's kind of discolored already. So, but I like the college design, it's real nice. We move on to the BAPE Star edition. Right, black, got a big logo right there. Overall, very nice, fits very well with a lot of it matches well with clothes, let's just put it that way, because it's a black cap, right? Okay, next one, also black. This is the unique kind of branding right there. Okay, pretty dope. And the last one, the navy blue. Well, it's almost black, but yeah. These definitely feel a lot softer than the camo versions. The camo versions, they tend to be a bit rough, right? This one's got a slightly more forgiving, probably a thinner texture, I would say. Yep. So, hope you liked the video. subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.